Welcome to LNP Renewable System Liberators. Today we are going to see some of the basics of water softness. So while entering into the topic, let us try to ask some of the questions to ourselves. After the end of this session, we will find the answers for all these questions. Okay, what is a water softener? Where will I use these? How it looks like? And what is a water softener? How a water softener works? And what is a regeneration process? When a regeneration process is done, how it is done, okay, and how a water softener is installed, okay, what are the recommended makes in the water softeners. So first, what is a water softener? So it is nothing but a process. Okay, first we need to know what is water softening. It is a process, okay, in which in this process we will remove the calcium and the magnesium, okay, cations in the hard water. When these calcium and the magnesium cations are removed, okay, the water will become soft. Okay, why we want to do this water softening process? Because if we use the hard water, so the pipes and the fittings that we are using in our home industries, okay, will get eroded easily because of this calcium and the magnesium deposition. So in order to prevent these pipes and fittings, okay, in order to extend the lifetime of these pipes and the fittings, we need to do this water softening process. Okay, and also sometimes, okay, hard water creates the irritations, allergies in the human bodies. It might be a problem for the hair falls also. So to avoid these problems, okay, we need to do this water softening process. So in the water softening process, we are going to remove the calcium and the magnesium cations in the hard water so that the water became a soft water. So by doing this process, okay, by using these soft waters, we are extending the life, okay, of our hair, okay, of pipes and the fittings. Okay, it can be done in different methods. We can do ion exchange, or we can do nanofiltrations, or we can do reverse osmosis membrane process also. So where will I use this? It is used in homes, industries, offices, agricultural industry, medical industry, pharmaceutical industry, metro stations, airports, commercial buildings. Okay, it is used everywhere. So how it looks like? See, these are some of the photos, real-time photos of this water softeners. So these are the water softeners which is being industries used in normal homes. Okay, this is used in commercial places, and these are all being used in the metro stations, okay, industrial areas where water softening is essential. Okay, how a water softener works? Say it is nothing but, let's try to understand with an ion exchange process. Okay, what will happen? Hardness of the water is due to the presence of this magnesium and the calcium. Okay, so the sodium or the potassium, okay, which is being present in the resin tank, okay, it will absorb this magnesium and calcium ions. Okay, so this is because of this exchange, the hard water turns into a soft water. Okay, so it will be easy for bathing and washing hair purposes. See here, this is an example. This is an inlet. Okay, the water is getting inside. Okay, the exchange is happening. Okay, so the sodium or the potassium that we are using is absorbing the magnesium and the calcium which is present in the hard water. So now the water is going out for our usage. Okay, now the water became a soft water, and it also has a drain pipe also to send the wastewater outside. Okay, what is regeneration process? So water softener regeneration is a process in which the water softener flushes out the minerals which got deposited in the resin membrane while doing a filtration process of hard water. Okay, so when we need to do this regeneration process, when all the available sodium ions have been replaced with the calcium or the magnesium ions in the resin, then it is time for recharging it. So how we need to recharge? It is done through this regeneration process. Okay, okay. When we will know that it's time for the regeneration process? Because the hardness of the using water will increase. Okay, because of this, even we will get only the less lather with the soap. Okay, how can we do a regeneration in the water softener that we are using? Very simple. We have a bring chamber. Okay, open that chamber Okay, put the normal common salt, okay, and then pour some water with the brine chamber. Okay, then what we have to do after while doing this process, we need to close both the inlet and the outlet valve for 15 minutes. Okay, now the regeneration process is happening. Okay, it is going to take away all the salts which got deposited on the sodium. So we are doing a recharging process, okay, for the brine membrane. After 15 minutes, open only the inlet valve for 5 minutes. Okay, let the outlet valve be in the closed position. After 5 minutes, okay, open both the outlet valves also. Okay, after these steps, it means regeneration had happened, recharge has been happened. Now it's time. Now the softener is ready for use. Okay, how the regeneration process is happening? See here, this is a brine tank. We are putting the brine solution inside it. Okay, so brine is pumped through the resin tank. Okay, now the brine solution and the hard minerals are flushed from the tank in the nearby drain pipe. Okay, what time will it take for the regeneration to happen? Regeneration time depends on the TDS levels, because if the TDS level of the hard water is around 500 to 1000, then the water output we shall get around 1200 to 1400 liters. Okay, or if the TDS level is between 1000 to 2000, okay, then approximately our output will be less. It's approximately around 750 to 900 liters. Okay, so mostly it will take 2 hours. Okay, it is not recommended to use the water during the water softening regeneration process. Okay, how a water softener is installed? It's very simple. Okay, so it has inlet pipe, so we need to fit in the inlet pipe in the pipe fittings that we are already having. Okay, and we have outlet pipe. From the outlet pipe, based on our application, our requirement, we can install to the output devices. Maybe in certain places they will use for these water softeners for washing machines. Okay, in certain places they will use this for in the water heaters. Okay, so the outlet will get connected to the water heaters. So this is an example. Okay, if we are going for an industrial level, okay, then we should have a separate tank. Okay, separate tank, that is a brim tank separately. It might be very large. Okay, then for the doing the resin process, okay, we need to have a separate tank, or we can call it as a mineral tank. See here, the hard water is getting inside. Okay, with the help of this control units and timers and the valves. Okay, we are taking away this calcium and the magnesium deposits in the hard water, and we're giving the soft water outside. With the help of this outlet, okay, in a drain line, we are sending away the unwanted waters. So this is an example of the installation diagram. How here in all these positions we have the valves, both in the inlet as well as in the outlet. We have valves. Even in certain places, we can have a bypass valves also. If you're doing any services at the time, we need supply of water directly. In such cases, we can go for the bypass valves also. This is another example of a water softener which is being used in the industry. See here, we have a separate brim tank and we have two mineral tanks for doing this process. Okay, see here how the hard water is getting inside. Okay, we have a manual inlet and we have a CTM controller. See here, from both the tanks, the soft water is getting out. Okay, the process is happening inside these tanks. And what are the site recommendations? So if you are going for a application like homes, okay, then the softener should be installed near the water supply. Okay, there should not be distance of more than 2.5 meters from the source. Okay, and please don't install these water softeners in the woods or the metallic stands. Okay, provide the proper support, proper plinth supports. Okay, and what are the recommended makes in the water softeners? We can go for eco well, Okay, Kent, Whirlpool, EcoPure. So these are some of the examples. There are a few more examples, but these are some of the best examples that is available in the market. Thank you so much. Please press subscribe button and press the bell icon. Okay, to know more and learn more, please subscribe. Okay, if you want to do projects with us, feel free to contact us. If you want to do the projects for solar power projects, that is on-grid, off-grid and hybrid, please contact us. And we are also providing design, installation, testing, commissioning, consultancy, training supports for the automation, industrial automation, home automations. Okay, and even we are providing the water softeners also. If you have any inquiries, feel free to contact us. We have provided the contact details. Thank you so much.